First you go to Canva, choose Create a Design in the left-hand corner. We are going to make a plain social media poster. Click on Social Media. The first thing we are going to work on is you're going to create a background. For this, you are going to choose a color. Choose a color only. You can choose one of the pre-selected ones, or you can pick a color of your own, but we're only choosing colors for this project. Next, we're going to add some text. For this, you're going to click on the plain text up at the top, drag it to the location where you'd like. Since this is a title, select the words, type your title. You have controls like you would any other word processing program, where you can change the font, the size and the color, and bold or not bold. Click on text again to choose another text box. Click on it and it gives you a new text box. Again, just type into it. If you drag on the edge or the side, you can make that larger and stretch out so you can fit the text all in one line. When you move it, it will give you lines to help you center it. If you click on the justification button up at the top, you can make it go to the center or to one of the sides. Next, you will add 3 sentences about yourself that you will write and complete. The text is a little out of alignment, so I'm changing that and adjusting the boxes out so that they match the box on top. You will get little guidelines when you do that. If you click and drag your mouse across all 3 text boxes, you can move them. Next, we need a picture, and you are going to just use a profile picture of yourself. Choose Upload Image and go to the location where you saved that image. Once you choose your image, it will upload into the panel on the left-hand side, and then you just simply drag it over or click onto it and it will put it into your poster. If you click on the corners, you can change the size. You can just then drag it to where you need to. Again, using the guidelines to help you keep it organized. This is it, and once you have this, click on Download. Choose PNG. That is the format we want to use. It allows us to resize pretty easily. Then click Download. It should automatically download for you, but if not, you can choose where it goes.